My name's Ed from JBL and I'm here at ISE. I'm going to talk about some of the products that we've got on our installed audio wall. So one of the nice things about working for a company like JBL is the heritage of some of the products, with the Control Contractor range, the Control 25 and the Control 28 being some of the most popular speakers in the world. As we've evolved our designs, we've released a new range called the SLP, which you can see actually has this very form, function and aesthetic look that we think that can be used in a number of different installations where you wouldn't want a bigger speaker. Now, the other aspect of product range that we've got for this is the ceiling speakers that we're presenting up here. Normally most people think about ceiling speakers as being just for voice alarm, just for information. What we're proud of is that this setup is a very musical experience. When partnered with a sub, some of these ceiling speakers can sound amazing.